back to my channel. If you don't know my name by now, and hopefully you do, my name is I am Dee Dee's Crafts. My life is a what craft artist. And today's exciting video for you and for me because I'm going to show you some woodland creatures I made throughout the years, and I'm making one for this year as well. So hope you have fun watching this video. I am so excited for this video. As you can tell by talking really fast, I'm happy. I love this video. I love this time of year. I love doing this stuff this time of year, making some really cool DIYs. I love this. This is what I made. Go watch this video. All these things I'm going to show you in this video, the videos I already did on this channel. So go watch them if you can. I really appreciate it. Give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and let's talk about woodland creatures. Because today is a Dee Dee's Winter Wonderland. So let's get started. Let's get into that video and show you what I got throughout the years. And I will be making one again, like I said. Hope you enjoyed this video. Let's get started. Video of memory lane. I took this out the archives for you guys to show what I did in the past. You can see right through the beautiful blue container what I did, and I love it. These are some fun projects. Go watch the original videos. I really would appreciate it if you do, and like them, and tell your friends. But I am Dee Dee's Crafts. My life is a craft artist, and I love doing these videos. I love DIY videos. I love watching craft videos. I love all this stuff. So let's open this up and show you this beautiful container I got from Dollar Tree, I think. Yeah, Dollar Tree. So you can go to Dollar Tree and buy you some cute containers to put your stuff in as well. So let's open it up. Look what we got. Look what we got in here. Let's go around and show you all the projects I did. And I got wood in here I didn't even use yet, so it's gonna be fun. I got lots of wood all over the place. So my opinion for a beginner crafter, have fun and tell your friends that you love crafting, and if they don't like it, that's their business, but you can have fun with your crafting. I love crafting. A lot of people in my family don't craft, so I think it's fun and exciting. So I love it so much, you guys. So let's get started on everything in this beautiful container I painted, colored, glitterified. Look at that glitter, glitterified, and put bedazzled, bejeweled myself. Everything I bought in here, I bought myself. No one is sponsoring this video. This is mostly a Dollar Tree, Walmart, Michael's, Hobby Lobby, Joann Fabrics, even some things online you can buy for wooden creatures. I love it so much. So let's get started on everything. What should we start at first? Should we start with this beautiful thing out of felt? Or, oh, that's in a different video. Let's take this out. Bye, snowman. Let's put you over here. Bye-bye. So let's get started on everything. So the very first thing I want to talk to you guys about is have fun crafting, because crafting is supposed to be fun. Okay, a lot of people take things too seriously, so have fun crafting. And if you're on a budget like me, go to Dollar Tree, Dollar General, Family Dollar. Don't be ashamed, okay, to buy some crafts on the cheap, on the low. You got the low. Just do that. You'll be okay. So let's get started. I don't know what I want to start with. Should I start the old stuff right here, or just look at the stuff I just bought a couple months ago? Well, let's start the old stuff. Let's get everything out and I'll show you everything. Have fun, you guys. Don't forget to click on this video. I have fun crafting, and I might do a thumbnail just like this. Maybe it's too little busy, maybe. I don't know, but I'll be right back. Let's start showing some woodland creatures. Take everything out I want to show you, but I just want to show you one by one, close like this, and then I'll put them on the table. So I have me a woodland beautiful glitterified leaf. So two-tone color. I'll take that out to show you. And then I want to show you this wonderful mermaid, because I love mermaid. I draw mermaids, so I'm going to show you that one. Also, I want to show you this one up close and personal. If you didn't see the videos by now, go watch the original videos. But this is my reindeer or deer. I want to show you that one. Also, I just did a video short on this right here, so go watch it. Glitters on it. This is another mermaid. And then this is what I did a while ago, a couple years ago. This is a wolf. I think it's a wolf. I think I'm going to call it a wolf. But I'm not sure. I think it may be the fox. But we'll look at that one as well, because I put them right over here so you can see, you guys. So let's look at the snowflake I did. I love snowflakes. And I drew a couple snowflakes. And then also, I want to show you this one, the two-tone gingerbread. I'm going to draw a gingerbread and also make one out of felt. So there's that gingerbread. And then also, I did a little girl in a jar, a mason jar. This was so cool. It's so hard to do at the same time. So look at that one. And then also, I did this one right here back in the day. It's a red truck with a tree. It's really cool. I kind of went too far with the glitter. That's another video. Go watch that video. Also, over here, if I can show you the ones I also... Oh, I did this a while ago. This is probably one of my first ones I did. Right here, the snowman. I'm going to draw on the snowman as well this year. So, isn't that cool? So let's put that over there as well. And then this pumpkin is supposed to be a lavender pumpkin. And I did the glitter all wrong, and it's cool. I love it. I got that one to show you. And then also I want to show you this one, also one of my favorite ones I did. One of my first ones. It's a bell. Blue bells, red bells. Cool. Is that all I want to show you for the ones I painted on? I think that's all the ones I painted on so far. The rest are just wood I just bought just to do projects with, but we'll get into that later. So let's show the stuff I want to show you first. A craft artist, look at all the ones I did over the years. Go watch every video if you can, please. I appreciate this channel. Needs a lot of help and a lot of love. So let's start over on this side. I think we're going to start right here. I'll move some of these down a little bit so you can see the ones I want to show you up close and personal. So I just did this video, a short, and it got 165 views, and I love it. Thank you guys for watching it. Please subscribe to my channel to see my videos. I did beautiful thing. This is made out of wood. I got this at, I think I got it at Walmart. Is it Walmart? I think it was Walmart. And no, I'm wrong. It was not Walmart. I think it was Dollar Tree. But yeah, it came with markers, and I love it. The markers were really cheap, but this is really pretty. I love the color scheme. I have fun doing that one. And also, I want to show you this one up close and personal. I did this one a while ago, maybe 2-3 years ago. I love it. The glitter got away from me. As you can see, I put glitter, way too much glitter. I love glitter, but this is way too much. I love this little deer. It was so much fun. I didn't make a Rudolph one like you probably thought I would do, but no, it's a regular deer, and I love it so much. And I painted it a little bit. I messed up a little bit on the back, but I still like it. Still wonderful. Those two were great. Let's move on to this one right here. I love this one. This is not a wolf. Like I said, it's a fox. So cool. I'm supposed to put a googly eye there, but I did not googly eyes. I did not do that at all, but I painted both sides the same color with paint and a little white glitter. That was a cool project to do. It was fun. And then over here, I want to show you this one up close and personal because I love this. This is one of my favorite ones I did from scratch. It took a long time to do this. I drew this right here, this girl in there. I did this for a cool video I did on there for Winter in Wonderland. And she's cool. I used pencil. As you can tell, you can still see pencil. And I painted this, and she's in a jar. So cool. I got some more of these small ones. I got this from Walmart. This one, they don't even sell this anymore at Walmart. I don't know what happened, but they have bigger mason jars now. But I love the small ones as well. So let's move on to this truck that I destroyed. Look at this truck. It's a red truck. It's planned at this time of year. I should have just made it a different color, but that's all right. The tree's green with a lot of red glitter, and then you have gold glitter they got. It did not do right. I did it wrong, but I love it so much. These projects are so much fun, you guys. I love doing DIY woodland creatures. And then let's do this one right here. I do love gingerbread. Comment down below if you like gingerbread. Gingerbread's really cool. I love eating it, and I love gingerbread houses as well. So this is the back, the white. All these ones I'm showing you so far is either Dollar Tree or Walmart. So I don't think they have these anymore, but I got this one. I made it. Supposed to put beads right there and put 2 googly eyes, but it's so cool. Red and purple. I couldn't think about what to paint it, so I did red and purple. So, and then I get the lavender pumpkin for the cool fall time. This is a cool project. I had a lot of these pumpkins, you guys, and I got this from Dollar Tree. They got 10 in the pack for $1 back in the day, and this is the glitter side. It doesn't look too bad, but I wish I would have did this a little bit better. I still can fix it a little bit, but it was so much fun. I love that. So this is what we did so far over here, you guys. Wonderful. Now let's move on to some more I just did and show you. This is a mermaid. They don't have this at Walmart anymore either. It's like, come on, Walmart. This is a mermaid that I got from Walmart. I did not finish her. Her eye kind of got messed up, but I love the color scheme. It's really pretty. It took forever to draw this because I had to draw it out first with the little black ink, as you can see. And then I didn't really draw. I mean, I outlined. I meant to say. It looks so cool. And then over here, let's do one of the ones I did. First ones I ever did with this bluebell. Pretty. Look at that pretty glitter. Probably too much glitter, but I love glitter so much. So, and then the red one on the other side was cool. I didn't know what to do, so I love red's my favorite color. But blue is so pretty too, so I did both blue and white, and then red and white. So pretty, right? And then over here, this is also one of my favorite ones I did. One of my first ones I did, besides that bluebell, is this snowman right here. The string would crop, right? I put glitter right there on top of the head, that pretty glitter, and then the eyes were blue. And then I made it just like that. This is a wonderful project. I loved it. I had so much fun doing this. Go watch the video if you can, the original video. And then over here, I did a snowflake a couple years ago, and I love it so much. Look at the snowflake. The glitter is really pretty. Iridescent glitter, and I was gonna put like an initial in the middle or write Dee Dee's Crafts or something, but I said nah, that's all right. And then the last but not least is my two-tone throw up of I should say throw up of glitter. I love it. It's so pretty on this beautiful blue, and then you have that really pretty orangey red, and you have that yellowish gold, and on the back it's kind of like a similar thing. Let me show you that. It's kind of like blue, and the blue's purple, bluey purple and red. So pretty, right? So these are all the projects I did over the years. I love it so much. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I want to show you some more of the creatures I bought over the years that I have never painted yet. So let's move this out a little bit so you can see everything up close and personal. I might do a thumbnail just like this. I don't know. I love you guys. I'll be right back showing you what I'm going to do in the future about woodland creatures. This is the one I bought at Target. I forgot to say Target has some really cool stuff. But these are ones already painted, already done. This is a pretty one. I always put this on the wall. It's a Target find. And then also, this is also a Target find right here that I got. So, yay, Target. So let's move on from that. So right here, I will show you. I got some of these. This is a Hobby Lobby find. No, am I wrong? This is Dollar Tree. But I do have Hobby Lobby in here too. This is a Dollar Tree. The beautiful mermaid tails. So cool, right? And then let's put that back over for a second. And then I have this one. I did buy at Hobby Lobby. I love the little fairy. I got a couple fairies. And then right here, this is also I bought this at another little fairy girl at Walmart. And all the leaves right here I got from Dollar Tree, that pretty leaf, that woodland tree. And then the acorns are from Dollar Tree. And then this is what I did a couple years ago, but I never finished it. It's supposed to be my initial on a pumpkin, but I think it looks cool, but I did not finish it though. And then I have all these beautiful, if I can get it out. I love turtles, so sea turtles. Turtles are cool. I got a turtle. I got all these turtles at Dollar Tree. And then on the bottom, got more leaves. And then I got this from Dollar Tree too. This little mug cup, Dollar Tree. This right here is from Hobby Lobby. Put that back over there, Hobby Lobby. And then I have, I'll put this back over so it'll be easy to put away. But yes, I love. As you can see, I love wood. There's a lot of wood in here. So let's move on to the next one. I'm gonna show you. And then I have some other, oh, there's a fox right there. There's the snowflakes, I told you I had those. And then I have more pumpkins down here, as you can see. I think we got 2 packages of pumpkins. There's a pumpkin. And then I have a girl that I need to paint. Let's take her out. This is a girl, another fairy. I guess I like fairies for some reason. Well, she's really cool. Got this at Walmart. No, Michael's. What am I saying Walmart for? I go all over the place. So yeah, that is Michael's. You can tell. But also, what else I got in here? I want to show you. Oh, I got this little doggy from Walmart. I've not even used it yet. I got a lot of wood. And then also, I want to show you here this that I got from Walmart as well. This. Look at this. It's a beehive. You can paint this. It's so cool. And then I want to show you some more that I got. Oh, let me show you the mason jars on the side. I got the small ones too. I told you I had small ones. And they're hard to find at Walmart. Walmart doesn't even have these anymore. I try to take that off. And then this big giant one right here. I'll show you in a second that are... Oh, I got to show you the seahorses. Look at the seahorses. I love seahorses. I love seahorses, you guys. So I love seahorses. I love frogs. I love butterflies. Oh, I haven't got a butterfly wooden one yet. Have I? No, I haven't. Oh, no. Okay, let's go down here. We got to put some more real quick for you guys. Oh, I got a bear, which I thought was cool. What else do I got in here? Oh, I think I got tags, too. I got these wooden things that you can write on. These are really cool. I got Michael's. The bear's from Walmart. And what else is down here? Oh, yeah. Let's show you this tag real quick. I can get the tag out. This is a tag, you guys. Look at this. This is so cool. We had a wood. And then also this right here. My mom gave this to me. She bought it at Walmart. Oh, no. She bought it at Hobby Lobby. Love this. So everything in here I bought is from Hobby Lobby, Joann Fabrics. I got a couple from Joann Fabrics too. I can't find those. But Joann Fabrics, Hobby Lobby, Joann Fabrics, Michael's, Dollar Tree. Don't sit on Dollar Tree because I got most of these from Dollar Tree. Like these right here. These are from Dollar Tree right here. These little wooden cups. I love that so much. So thank you guys so much. I want to show you one more thing, and I guess I'll be done showing all my woodland creatures for this year. And I will be doing more videos like this, you guys. More DIYs, more crafty. It's gonna be fun. So I'm gonna show you this big giant mason jar that I got from only at Walmart. I don't know if Amazon has it or not, but it might. This big old mason jar, you guys. It's like, it used to be like $2. Now it's like almost $4 at Walmart. I don't know why they hiked the prices up, but this is what it looks like. A mason jar. I think I'm going to put all these in here as a thumbnail. Wouldn't that be so cool, you guys? I have some wood things I want to show you. So how am I going to set this up so people want to see this? Because I want the mason jar to be shown. So it'll be like, oh, look it, you know, like that. I don't know. That's a good thumbnail, though. I'll be back, you guys. I'm going to show you some more things. Right here in my craft section, I have some more woodland creatures. These are bunnies, you guys. And then down there, there's more. There's a lot in these containers. Should I get them out and show you? Maybe, maybe not. I'm not sure. I think I'll get them out and show you just a little bit of them. On the outside, you guys, look at, I do have some already colored. This is what I bought at, I think, oh no, it's got to be Michael's or Hobby Lobby. Look at the mermaids. I told you I'm obsessed with mermaids. I love mermaids. I love Little Mermaids. So I got a lot of woodland creatures with mermaid and vine. I can't wait to decorate my craft room if I ever get one. There's some little cool bunnies in there. Some giant paper clips. And then I have some bunnies like this. So yeah, I'm not going to take them out of the jar. It was hard to get them in there. So when I do a project, I'll show them again. And then right here, I have some more bunnies. Let me show you like this. This is a bunny. And then the side, there are some other ones that I want to show you. Mermaid tails right there, as you can see. Yeah, then there's some more bunnies. So it's a cool wave to show you my little craft section. I love these containers. The containers I got from Dollar Tree, they get dusty really easy. So you gotta wipe them down. But I love it so much. Thank you guys for watching this video. I had so much fun talking to you. I'll talk to you at the end of the video. Have fun crafting, do some woodland creatures, and have fun. This is Dee Dee's Winter Wonderland. Wonderland, Wonderland. Look at Dee Dee's Winter Wonderland. Did you like it? Did you enjoy it? If you did, thank you so much, my amazing craft artists. I had a great day today showing you my woodland creatures from the past, and I will be making one for this year. So cool, amazing. I can't wait to do that. I got glitter, I got glue, I got googly eyes, I got all kinds of stuff to help out to make a good woodland creature pop. Like this one, I did a lot of glue and a lot of glitter, like the glitter just threw up on this bad boy. I remember doing this video, guys. Go watch this video. It was a fun video a couple years ago. And also with this one, I love this one so much. I just love the leaves. The leaves on this are so pretty. The two-tone leaves, you guys, so pretty. Glitter. I probably too much glitter on that, but that's okay. And thank you guys for watching this video. Give me a thumbs up and a like down there. And if you really like this video, subscribe to the channel. If you really like this video, don't forget to click a link for more notifications for I Am Dee Dee's Crafts. My life is a what? Craft artist. And this is a Dee Dee's Winter Wonderland video for you and me. I hope you have fun shopping. Have fun out there. Today is Cyber Monday. Have a great day, you guys. And I will talk to you in another Dee Dee's Winter Wonderland. Wonderland. And keep crafting no matter what. What? I decided to take some out, you guys. That's what it looks like. Dollar Tree vine. I got carrots. Look at the carrot. Woodland carrots, you guys. A cool one. See, this is not the same as that one, but it's bunny feet.